Ladies and gentlemen, this is the great show after 대학가요제. Make some noise, you watching Music Show!
I ain't got a bread when I'm in my bed. No, no, no. True.
괜찮아?
Oh, you know, a very happy day. That was the sexiest laugh I ever heard. So hard. There is a very fucking good news in Pising's birthday. Yes, yes, we have good news.
You know what it is? You know we change all 감독 in Physics show.
Yeah, we changed. We 싹 다 갈아엎었어.
Yeah.
Fired all of them.
Yeah.
You know, first, Hollywood directors, they are too lazy.
You know, especially they 회식 참여할 생각을 안 하더라.
Yeah.
너무 개인주의야.
아니, you know, 점심 회식으로 바꿨는데도 he never comes.
Yes.
So I get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
So I fired him. So 쌍꺼풀 다 터지고 or something. So
We fired.
First of all, we fired Christopher Nolan.
Bye bye.
논란이 형 그것 때문에 자른 거지? 맨날 지각해가지고.
He doesn't use CG, so that's why I fired him.
Doesn't you see?
그래.
It's 2023.
트럭을 이래 넘긴다잖아.
그래. 아니 이거 뒤에 건물도 그 형 있을 땐 진짜 실제 건물이었잖아.
Yeah.
And we fired James Cameron.
James Cameron.
Because Avatar 2 is 기대 이하. 아니, you think about it. Its running time is about 3 hours.
Yeah.
But you know, 물소리 계속 들려.
Ah.
So I gotta pee. So it's not a 배려. 나 진짜 물소리 계속 듣는데 오줌마리 죽는 줄 알다 이거. You know what I'm
아니
saying?
내가 오디션장에서 그 형 봤잖아.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Your acting was awesome.
Why?
happened?
What happened?
혈연 지연 너무 따지더라고.
And we fired another one.
한 명 더 잘랐어?
Yeah. Michael Bay.
Bay?
Michael Bay.
You fired the Bay?
Yeah, I fired Michael Bay.
Well, I love Bay. Why you fired?
Why fired?
I love Bay.
You like Bay?
Yeah.
왜 잘랐어 형?
Because he's a girl Bay.
그래. 아이 근데 컵라면 자꾸 사라지더라 촬영장에서. 컵라면 막 4개씩 5개씩 없어지더라.
So we hired whole team of massive producers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now we have Bong Joon-ho in there.
Yeah.
Welcome, Mr. Bong.
메인 카메라.
And Bong Bong Bong.
That's the Oscars to me.
Yes. And second, we have Na Young-seok.
Yeah.
Na Young-seok.
Yeah.
Welcome, Mr. Na.
미술 카메라 영석이 형이셨어.
Yes.
Yes, it's PC 오락실 or something.
Yes. And now, last one, we have Park Hang-seo.
Yeah.
Park Hang-seo 감독.
저 잡아주시고 계신 우리
Yes.
상사 감독님.
Yes.
Yeah.
The hero of
잠깐만.
Vietnam.
호민이 형 아니야?
아이,
아, 항상 형이야?
That's
이번에 오셨는데.
I'm sorry.
okay. All right. So today we have a very special game.
legend. Goat.
So let me introduce our new
Yeah.
rock star,
Yeah.
king of concerts,
Yeah.
idol of Mapogu, scene stealer of Show Me the Money 11, striker of 골대녀. Give it up for 황소윤. Finally, she's here.
결국 만났어.
First,
결국.
Neighborhood.
yeah, we're neighbor. First, introduce yourself to our
Yeah.
global fans.
Hi guys, my name is Soyun. I'm in a band called 세소년 and I play a rock on the stage and I'm also a solo musician too. I'm really looking forward to join this show, Pishik show.
Yeah.
With my neighborhood. Yeah.
황소윤 from 세소년. Yeah.
I'm so Hurion right now because I only been your when I was real nerd.
Yeah.
But this time I'm setting right now.
I know that.
yeah,
you know, we met yesterday.
엘리베이터에서 마주쳤다 우리.
Yeah.
같은 건물 쓰거든요.
Yeah, elevator.
So you know, first 새소년 작업실
Yeah.
is in upstairs of our
Yeah,
작업실.
yeah, right.
Right. So
Tell him about your episode. You know, first time we met.
제일
First time.
처음.
first time we met, yeah.
그러니까 새소년 사무실이 우리 위층인지 모르고
Yeah.
우리가 같이 이제 우리 층에서 작업을 하고 있는데 위에서 7시인가에
So what the fuck is that?
Hey,
잠깐만.
the
내가
horror sound.
Give me some 막대걸리.
Yes, yeah.
Get him.
내가 가서 한마디 하고 올
fight?
테니까
Go.
찬욱이 형 같이 올라가자 해가지고 올라가지고 이제 문을 두들리려고 하는데 옆에 새소년이라고 써있는 거야.
Oh my god.
Oh.
설마 하고 똑똑똑 했는데 바로
She came out.
소윤님이 딱 나와서
Yeah.
안녕하세요. 그래서 새소년 죄송합니다.
Yeah.
혹시 5분만 저희가 촬영해도 괜찮을까요?
Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah, after that episode, when you're doing 연주,
Yeah.
it's like 두둥두둥. We say, oh, that's kind of 신고 or something.
Yeah.
Free concert. Yeah, thank you.
파도.
That's 파도. That's
Yeah,
파도.
yeah.
But tell me truth. Is any 층간소음 in downstairs?
To tell the truth, 층간소음 is true.
Yeah. We yeah.
I'm always worried about.
소음이 아니지. 층간 콘서트.
층간 콘서트.
Yeah. Oh,
층간 락 페스티벌.
Yeah. We
We
always
can-
Coachella.
Yeah, we can hear the some fighting voices like 똑바로 해라. 야!
Yeah.
I have an episode too.
Oh, really?
At that time, you guys came up and say hello to each other. I told my bass member Hyunjin, oh, 피직대학 has many 직원. So, oh, he's a player. Oh, sorry. And then I watch your YouTube. Yeah.
But your English is very good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So did
You guys too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were born with it.
Oh,
you know.
yeah.
We were born with it.
Yeah.
So did you live in another country or something?
Yeah, I live in 충북 제천.
Oh, 충북, 지천.
You live 중부.
Yeah,
Yeah,
충북.
충북.
I born and raised in Seoul, but my middle school and high school in countryside. So I lived in with mountain and river.
MC 스나이퍼랑 동양이었구나.
MC 스나이퍼.
중북제천 작은 꼬맹이 나는 전투 게임이
What are you talking about?
베르든 예스데이에 나오거든.
Anyway, in 충북 제천, is there any 외국인 학교 or something?
Nah.
What?
Just I was in alternative school. You know?
Ah, yeah.
So I
간디 학교.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Gandhi school.
혹시
Oh, yeah.
나 가르쳤던 선생님이 간디 학교를 갔는데
What?
그 홍상미 선생님 계신. 진짜?
리얼?
리얼로? 홍상미 선생님 너무 좋은 선생님인데?
She's a science.
화학.
Yeah. Chemistry. Oh my god.
대박!
It's live,
아니 홍상미 선생님이 진짜 좋은 선생님이었던 게
Yeah,
완전
she's
더운
so
여름에
kind, yeah.
너무 친절해가지고
She's so nice.
애들 더워 죽겠으니까 집에서 얼음물을 2개를 얼려와가지고 너네 돌려 먹어라 이렇게 하고 막 내가 홍상미 선생님 너무 좋아해서 화학을 진짜 열심히 공부했거든.
Yeah, many students loves her. Yeah.
그러니까 인기 완전 많은 선생님이었어
Yeah.
진짜로.
Many boy students.
Anyway, why you 영어 잘하는 거야? So.
I had a US tour last year. Met many foreign people and conversation each other. So
Really?
yeah.
You didn't get any 과외 or 민병철 학원?
Yeah.
And I was in a ECC.
ECC.
I have an ECC cap too. 영어 유치원.
아, 영어 유치원.
Yeah, when I was 5.
Oh, like 서준이 or something? Yeah.
Let's keep it in the law.
It's different 세계관, right?
Yeah. 아, 영어 유치원.
어제 영어 유치원 다닐 정도면 집이 좀 괜찮았나 보네.
Yeah.
So actually we saw the video in YouTube. You're performing on stage.
Yeah.
You look so charismatic. But you look a little bit different in Domo.
Yeah, normal. Yeah,
person.
I know, totally. I can see my perform live video. I can't.
You cannot? Why?
Why?
Because it's too different. my daily life is too natural and
Yeah.
real nerd, but on the stage I'm like a little more 짐승.
Yeah,
야수.
I don't know why. On the stage, I always like 흥분.
아니 가서 내가 직접 봤잖아.
Yeah. You
펜타포트 락 페스티벌
Yeah.
무대 위에 진짜 짐승 한 마리가
was like a-
관객들이 진짜 집어 먹더라고 이렇게.
Oh my God!
사람들이 미쳐가지고 자기도 먹어달라고 계속.
Yeah, and they slam, make a circle, and
But in our building elevator, look at,
Yeah.
홍대 1학년처럼.
what is real of you?
I don't know. Both is my personality, so I don't know what is real, but I love stage. I'm a 관종, so many people see me. I'm really 흥분 and like a hero, Hulk, like a Hulk.
Yeah. I know.
Oh, yeah.
true.
Yeah. That's my I don't know, energy. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're in normal life. 뭐해?
Oh, I
Because 궁금하잖아. 일상이 궁금해, you know.
I wake up early, maybe 8 or 9 a.m.
Whoa.
and I ate breakfast, and I go work out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and sometimes I meditation or yoga.
Oh,
really?
Yeah, it's really healthy, and I really like to go to temple. I really love temple stage, and I really like 절밥.
Oh, yeah, I love to.
That's why I go to temple.
Oh, yeah.
맞아.
Yeah. I ride my scooter.
Oh,
Did you see my black small scooter?
That was yours?
Yeah,
That
that's
was
mine.
아 진짜?
Yeah.
아, 나 짜증나는데 앞에 누가 대가지고 막 what?
Hey, easy.
아이 누구 차야 이거? 차 못 들어가잖아 이거 지금.
Yeah.
혹시 저번에 긁힌 거 자국 못 봤나? 형이
Hey,
Stop me. Hey, no.
No.
it's real.
근데
나,
보험
나,
사
No, stop me.
You know, actually, I can smell hipster 냄새. You know.
Nah,
Yeah, we can feel the smell of hipster.
You think you're not a hipster?
I'm not a hipster. I'm a little 꼬맹이 just.
That's why
Yeah.
you're a hipster.
어.
You know?
What?
Every hipster always say, I'm not a hipster.
What is 정의 of hipster?
Hipster.
Yeah.
Hipster is okay. I can give you a test.
Okay,
You know, if
okay.
you're hipster or not.
Yeah.
So first, do you like 평양냉면? You're hipster.
My favorite.
You're hipster.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
좀 힙스터야.
야, 평양 무조건 hipster. Yeah.
Why? Okay.
And a second test.
Yeah.
Do you use Spotify?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're hipster.
She's
You
hipster네.
You're
She's
hipster.
hipster.
You're
완전
hipster.
It's so
hipster네.
useful.
I use
It's too
mellow.
No, he used Box. You know.
Box music.
So you
I
Spotify
like
is
Box.
hipster. So
Yeah, okay.
okay. Three. Have you watched it?
Yeah.
Everything Everywhere at Once?
Oh my God. Yes.
Yeah, you're hipster.
완전
Yeah,
hipster.
she's definitely
You're hipster.
fucking hipster.
Hey,
You
you're
know?
hipster.
But I don't really like that movie. Just watching.
No, you watch it?
나 안 봤어.
You watch it?
I watch 타짜.
Yeah.
나 아바타 2.
You're hipster. You're hipster.
The last question.
last.
This is the end
Okay,
goal.
okay.
Yeah. Have you been to Berlin?
Yeah.
Yeah. 100점.
이건 진짜 빼박이잖아.
Berlin is very beautiful
We
city.
never
Very-
been to Berlin. Only hipster can go Berlin.
강원도 가봤다 강원도. 속초.
Yeah, 영월 or something.
영월이나.
Yeah.
How do you define your music?
Sometimes I'm nervous because in Korea and in the earth, so many 락저씨.
Yeah.
So they always, oh, you're not a rock, or oh, you're rock. I'm me. I'm 소윤. I'm 세소년, but
Yeah.
oh yeah,
You must have some pressure of the 락저씨들.
yeah.
Tell the truth.
Sometimes.
Tell the truth. My 작은 아빠.
Yeah.
He's like 50 or 60. He's a dentist. He's a big fan of you,
Oh.
and he always saying he's the future of Korean rock. Finally, the new rock star born.
어깨에 책임감
Yes,
이만큼
yes.
져야지.
황소윤, I want to buy her tickets. You know? Give me some sign of her.
Yeah, I love 락저씨.
Yeah.
I love 락저씨.
Is there any 특징들 of 락저씨들?
Two 분류.
Yes.
Yeah.
One of them they always wearing like a rock T-shirt.
ACDC!
Yeah. And sometimes they have a long hair.
Oh, yeah.
Harley Davidson?
Yeah, and some tattoos.
Yeah.
And one of them is like your dentist.
They wearing shirts.
Really, yeah, normal outfit, but they have a many CD or vinyl.
Because they're rich.
Yeah,
They're rich.
They're
very rich.
Led Zeppelin, some like that. Yeah, Pink Floyd.
Beatles.
Yeah, Beatles.
So you released 2 EP and 8 single. But where's 정규 앨범?
Yeah, hey!
Is that any making you any pressure? Or something?
This year,
Yeah.
I'm working on my 정규 album.
Oh, yeah.
Two 정규 album.
Really? 1 year?
One of is my band 새소년, and one of is my solo.
소윤?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That's why I'm so busy right now.
Nuclear bomb is coming!
Wow!
Nuclear launch detected!
What?
Okay, rock Joshi in Korea, the 2 정규 album is
기대해라,
coming!
진짜.
Come on! Do you think you're a 상락커 or 하락커?
상락커?
mean-
Like a 상남자 or 하남자?
Yeah.
What is 상락커?
상락커 can break your own guitar on the stage.
stage.
Fender, come on! Bah! Or break all the drums.
Yeah. And drink too much.
Yeah, drink 1 bottle of Jack Daniel, 1 shot. Like that. That's a 상락커.
Yeah.
And 담배빵 on my guitar.
Yes! I don't wanna. That's a 상락커.
Yeah. I always imagine I broke my guitar on the stage.
Really?
Sometimes. But yeah,
So expensive?
it's too expensive.
Too expensive.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
But sometimes I do.
이번에 앨범 내면은
Yeah, I promise.
정규.
I promise.
오케이! 무조건 예매한다. 무조건
Because my
예매한다.
소원.
You don't have to be worried. You know your rock Joshi with your shirts.
Yeah.
They're gonna buy you tons of guitars.
더 비싼 거 사줄 거야.
My 작은 아빠's dentist gonna come on. Let's make some money for 황소윤 guitar. Suction. Like that.
그 기타를 이제 노래하면서 근데 이렇게 치는데 아니, 개인적으로 조금 너무 그 기타 위치가 너무 정직하지 않나라는 생각이 들어요.
More low.
그러니까 약간
Low side.
For Nirvana is very low, right? And Hyogo did like that.
Yeah,
Hyogo did like that.
근데 소윤이 약간
Actually, low side, it's a fake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is not useful to playing guitar. It's really hard.
Is it 허세?
Yeah, 허세.
아 진짜?
You know, turn the guitar.
이거 팍 해가지고 탁
Too much 허세. It's a 하라커.
아.
You saying Kurt Cobain is hardcore?
No, he's a
And on the stage, you also have a very heavy makeups.
yeah.
Where do you get inspiration, the makeup inspiration
Yeah.
from? Where did you get it?
my eyes is a little bit different from other person. I have a 무쌍. I'm a 무쌍.
나
so-
무쌍.
Yeah, 무쌍.
Yeah.
오, 진짜 무쌍이네?
야, 무쌍.
다 무쌍이다.
Yeah.
So if I draw my eyeline, 사라집니다. So that's why I draw like heavy makeup.
원래 눈 말고 새로운 눈을 장착하는
Yeah.
거야.
That shows 재영수는 look at him.
Yeah.
It's already gone.
It's like a 도화지.
백지.
Yeah, 백지.
His eyes like the paper cut.
Yeah, it's beautiful, so beautiful.
That's eyes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh my God. She fell in love.
Yeah.
You seem like Buddha.
Do you want a temple stay?
Yeah.
Do you want a temple stay?
Yeah.
So we went on a few rock festivals,
Yeah.
and we thought that most rock bands meant that's kind of boring.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Always same.
Yeah. Song goes rah rah rah,
Yeah.
and then the voice goes really down, and
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 재밌으세요?
I gotta go home.
Yeah.
This is
That's
fucking boring.
Why is
This is
that?
fucking boring.
한 번만 더 봐.
Boring. I hate
That's my 고민 too. How to dance to audience.
First of all, you need to change a tone. When you sing
Yeah.
and meant it's the same tone. You know what I'm
아,
saying? You
파도가 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 한호흡으로.
한호흡으로.
Let's have a party.
And we felt really bored when rock band stars introducing the next song. Like the ment is so 구려, right?
그러니까.
Yeah.
So boring, no interest, and we will give you a practice.
일단 먼저 한번.
What if the next song is 파도?
아, 마지막 곡 파도고요. 저희는 이 곡 들려드리고 물러나도록 하겠습니다.
Okay, unfollow 황소윤. Unfollow 황소년.
Too boring.
She's so boring.
No boring.
Oh my god.
톤을 바꿔서 하는 건 좀 힘들 수도 있으니까 다음 노래랑 멘트를 이어 붙여야 돼.
Yes, we will give you the answer.
Yeah,
Just 외워버려.
Yeah.
이번 곡 난춘이었고요. 다음 곡 들려드리기 전에 요즘 여러분들 힘든 일 많으시죠? 그래도 꼭 힘내시길 바라겠습니다. 가슴 아파도 파도 들려드리도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah.
Like a rhyme.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Or there has to be a little bit wit or humor. 이번 곡은 파도였고요. 여러분들 고유가 시대에 많이 힘드시죠? 기름값이 계속 오르고 있습니다. 그래도 오르지 않는 기름값이 있습니다. 이 기름 꼭 쓰세요. 경유 아니고요, 등유 아니고요, 자유입니다.
자유!
I'll try. I promise.
Yes.
On my concert. In
Yeah,
my
yeah.
concert.
You promise?
Yeah.
One more.
여러분들 아이스크림이 도로 위에서 죽었습니다. 왜 죽었을까요? 차가워서. 농담이었어요. 다음 곡 조크.
Yeah. It's a stand-up comedy. It's a stand-up comedy.
Yes.
Shock.
경유 등유 자유 한 번만 해보자.
You practice.
고유가 시대.
여러분 요즘 고유가 시대에 많이 힘드시죠? 저희가 그래서 마지막 곡으로 준비해 드렸습니다. 경유 아니고요, 등유 아니고요, 자유.
자유!
There is a little bit of 국물
Yeah.
to make new band name.
Oh, yeah.
You know that? You know that? The
Food and pants.
yeah. So in my case, I'm a pink Vietnam noodle. What's yours?
No 밀푀유.
No? No?
No.
No 밀푀유.
You don't marry your.
No.
황천에 불타는 제육볶음?
That's a very 기분 나쁜 band name. I don't
아
want
근데 그러면은 들었던 게 엄청 많을 거 아니야 밴드 이름을.
Heard about or my 후보?
뭐 후보도 되고.
어,
아니
야,
이거 좀 특이하다 했던 거.
First of all.
Yeah. I have one more band name before I started 새소년.
Yeah.
It's really shame.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
Tell me,
What is it?
tell me.
First time to tell about this.
오 진짜 진짜. 그래.
Yeah.
What was it?
When I was high school, I have a band name called 애국자.
패트리엇 애국자.
Patriot.
You're playing to perform in front of 국회의사당 or something?
Yeah.
뒤에 무조건 태극기 걸고.
Yeah. 광화문
For
광장에서 or something, you know.
에미야 국이 짜다.
국자 에미야 국이 짜다.
It's good.
오.
Not good.
에미야 국이 짜다 is meaning is very good.
But not full name. Always using 애국자.
이거는 근데 너무 좋은 게 저희 김장김치 페스티벌 같은 데 가가지고도 할 수도 있고.
It's 애국자 황소연 is right.
예.
애국자.
진짜.
Let's talk about football. We heard that 축구 예능 is very tough.
진짜.
Yeah, 축구 very tough. You know, they practice every day.
You know, as soon as you say about 축구 예능, you tell me about it.
Okay, it's been a long time. Maybe 1 year ago.
Yeah.
These days I quit my soccer life. We always training every 4 or 5 hours every day.
Every day?
Every day. Maybe 10 p.m. to 2 a.m.
Wow, that's really 국대.
Yeah, I feel like I'm a 국가대표.
Yeah.
It's too hard
Yeah.
and like little 현타.
Yeah, of course.
왜
I'm
이렇게?
not practicing guitar that much. I'm a musician, but I practice soccer only. Yeah, but it was fun. It was really fun. But everybody said, "Oh, your soccer skill is so good." But honestly, it's a bottle.
에이.
Really.
No, 실력이야 or something.
근데 그 전에 학교 다닐 때 축구를
Yeah, I'm in a soccer team, middle school and high school girls soccer team.
그래.
Yeah, it's called 생리통. Soccer team's name.
아,
생리통.
is a 줄임말 or something?
No.
Why is
It
that?
means if you have a 생리통, we never give up.
오.
Wow, is it
Yeah,
so?
we
고통도
always-
이겨낸다.
Yeah, yeah.
꺾이지 않는
마음,
꺾이지 않는
yeah,
꺾이지 않는 마음.
생리통. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you were a member of 애국자 and 생리통, right? That's. So what if you get opportunity to play as a professional football player? Do you want to get it? No.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
What if Chelsea FC women
Oh,
offer you?
me?
Yeah. Would you quit 새소년?
한 5년 정도.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
You get about 손흥민 주급 or something?
Really?
Yes.
I quit. I quit.
Yeah.
It's so 당연.
Me too.
So we prepared some balanced game. Who do you think is the greatest rock star? Beatles versus Messi. Messi, come on, World
Yeah,
Cup.
Messi.
Beatles.
밥에 들어가.
Beatles.
밥에다.
To be honest, Messi is the rock. In these days.
Oh,
yeah.
Messi.
진짜?
Yeah.
Beatles is nothing. Okay. The next one is Metallica versus Sony. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
In these days,
Yeah.
Sony is the rock star.
All right.
That's true.
Sony.
He's a rock star right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I love metal.
Okay.
Let me do one more. 자우림 versus 리춘수.
Yeah.
Come on, 리춘수.
Oh my god.
감독님 or
감독님
선배님?
or 선배님?
Yeah.
I quit the soccer right now, so 자우림.
자우림.
Sorry, 리춘수.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
One more. It's
One
not.
more, okay.
It's not a balanced game.
Okay.
If you get one opportunity, just one day class.
One day class.
One day class.
Yeah.
Who do you want to pick? Paul McCartney
Oh.
versus 손흥정. One day class.
Yes.
Just one day class.
How about prize? Is it free?
Free.
free. 우리가 돈 다 대줄게.
Yeah.
Paul McCartney or 손흥정.
Paul Mac.
Paul Mac?
Paul Mac.
Because Paul Mac is more older than 손흥정.
장유유서.
Because you know 나 같아도 폴 맥카트니. Because
왜,
you know
왜.
손흥정 never admit that I'm a world class. So what?
야.
아무리 해도
야.
절대
절대 월드 그 you are not
아니면-
world class.
황소윤 is 황소윤 world class?
Never world class.
So you're an ambassador of UGG, right?
Yeah.
어그부츠?
UGG.
What's the benefit?
Free UGG.
진짜?
Everything?
Yeah.
그냥 매장 가서 이거랑 이거 빼고 다 주세요 하면.
Yeah, free UGG. Because I'm a model. I'm an ambassador.
Do you wear UGG often?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
In my daily.
Okay. Last balance game.
Yeah.
UGG versus Meta.
아 이거는
Okay, I'm sorry.
오케이.
I'm sorry.
오케이.
모든 것이 내 세상.
So I heard that your fan club's name is 코딱지. So I have a question. When you're digging your nose, which finger do you use?
It's very deep.
용주 형 같은 경우는 엄지로 하거든.
I use MG.
Maybe left hand, 검지.
검지.
검지는 안 시원하지 않아?
But I have a nail, little. Little nail. Yeah. 발굴.
So after you dig your nose and you play guitar like that.
그래서 빼는 거구나.
Like
Yeah.
a grease. Like
Hey.
I'm sorry, my bad.
Hey.
I'm
fired.
I crossed the line. My bad.
몇 개 그냥 개인적으로 물어볼게는데 인간 황소윤의 어떤 연애 스타일. 왜 이건 어디서도 얘기 안 한 것 같아.
Can you tell me?
I think I'm a good partner.
Oh, really?
But sometimes I'm really bad. I'm a little selfish. While I'm working, I hate 연락. too much 연락.
You hate it?
Yeah, I hate it.
So if hey, what are you doing? It's
Yeah.
나 이러잖아.
Hey.
아 그러면 이상형이 혹시
I have an 이상형.
Oh, really?
Smart
Oh my God. You tell me? Oh my God.
and handsome, and I don't like slender. I like more thick.
아.
Yeah, I like Youngju's physical.
오.
Yeah, he's tall.
Yes.
I saw him first. I surprised. He's- yeah.
No, but his body is 차르. You know what I'm saying? It's 주정토.
He
I'm a
don't have
clay
muscle.
man.
Well, I like it. I don't like
약간
slender.
slim
Yeah,
one, slim
slim.
one.
똑똑하고 듬직하고.
Yeah,
I'm a big boy. I'm a big man.
오.
yeah, and 다정.
물 좀 더 갖다 줄까?
You straight man?
한번 해보려고.
뭐를 해봐.
아니, 도전해볼 수 있는 거잖아. 도전. 아 무대 위에서 너무 반해가지고.
도전은 아름다워. 도전은
그러니까.
is beautiful. Challenge is beautiful.
You gave me donut.
예.
맞아. 내가 그때 도넛 갖다
야,
줬거든.
야.
It's too 다정.
아니 내가 그때 너무 열심히 위해서 연습하길래.
Oh, it's real.
Sorry. it's 언질.
When you work, you're very sensitive. But you know, when you, with your boyfriend, after work, what's your style?
Oh, I'm really soft and like 애교.
오
Too
진짜?
much 애교. Yeah.
전혀 상상이 안 가는데.
Can you show me? It's classic 예능 style. 애교하면 봐야지.
그러니까 한 번 더 간 거구나.
That's only for
그러니까 요즘에는
Twist
옛날.
and twist.
twist and
okay,
twist.
그치.
okay.
요즘에 절대 하면 안 되는 건데.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
My attitude is like I like this.
아.
In my work, I like this, but after work, I like. Like
That's
that.
cool.
너무 사랑스러운 눈으로 남자친구를
It's a
쳐다봐요.
very 반전 매력.
So final question, what is your next plan?
Yeah, I preparing my new album, solo, and my band. I release soon.
대충 몇 월에 나오는지 혹시 알려줄 수 있어요? 대충
Sport?
시즌.
Solo album will release March.
March?
오.
January, February,
March.
Yeah.
March?
Yeah.
해야 돼?
얼마 안 남았잖아.
Oh, really? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I shooting music video right now.
오.
우리 출연할 수 있나?
What? Hey, son.
Yeah, good.
Okay. All the rock 씨들, there was a good news. The 새소년 and 황소윤 solo is coming in March.
Yeah.
And this was 황소윤 from 새소년.
I ain't got a bread when I'm in my bed, no. Been through a lot, don't know the half, no. When I'm on drive, never lose control. Hand on the game, never lose control. It ain't my fault that I'm in control. When I'm on drive, never lose control.
Right away, sailing on the world today. Sing a song.